So this is instant oatmeal, and I just added hot water on it. This is my first meal. A bowl of oatmeal and a banana. So this is the banana that I bought yesterday, and it looks rotten from the outside. First meal of the day, plain and simple. This is my second meal, noodle and 2 boiled eggs. So I'm going to eat it straight to the pot. And by the way, I transferred some of my gym equipment here outside my house, and it's a bit messy. I'm going to organize it later. Third meal, 2 pieces of fried chicken, and this is 30 cents each, and 3 cups of cooked white rice. It's my last meal, 3 eggs and lots of white rice. So this is my last meal. Three eggs, and I think this is 4 cups of cooked white rice. I already showed you what I usually eat in a day.